Hello friends, family, and clients. Dave Demangos here. And I wanted to talk about, for the San Diego residents, the new time of use plans that are coming up. I believe that are going to be mandatory for most people to be on. So when it comes to San Diego Gas and Electric, they're claiming that when you use energy matters and they can save you a bunch of money with their time of use plans, which I think is a joke. Actually, people are all up in arms about it, and I don't blame them. But basically what it comes down to is when you use your energy matters, just remember, between 4 and 9 p.m., your energy is basically going to double, so your cost per kilowatt hour. So let's start real quick. If you have an electric vehicle and you don't have solar, they have a plan, a time of use tier 5, I think it is, where you can get charging for only 9 cents per kilowatt hour, but of course it comes with a $16 monthly fee. So if you do have an electric vehicle and you drive more than 30, 40, 50 miles, it might be smart to go on that plan. Otherwise, it's just a $16 waste because you're not going to see that offset in savings. So the way it works is between 4 and 9, your rates are going to double. If you want to so don't do your laundry, don't use your refrigerator, don't use your air conditioner. A joke. So I guess what they want you to do is be up from 12 to 6 in the morning and do all your clothes and laundry, at 3 a.m. before you go to work. So it just doesn't make sense for most people. Now there are alternatives. Solar is probably your best option. For those that can't afford it, you can actually do a lease depending on credit and things. If you need a referral to solar, I have excellent companies. There's 2 or 3 that I'll refer, and that you can have conversations with them, and they'll actually give you scenarios on how to help you save money. So, time of use, SDGE, trying to help everybody save. I'd recommend you go onto the website and looking at. There's a couple different options, but the reality is between 4 and 9, you're going to kind of want to limit your usage to save you some money. So I hope this helps you. Good luck. If you need a referral to any solar companies, reach out and I'd be happy to refer you. Have a great day.